Hello once again, welcome to German language basic German 1. Today's edition we'll be looking at telling the time in German. So first of all, look at asking for the time in German. If you want to ask someone about what the time is, use one of these expressions. Wie viel Uhr ist es? What time is it? Or you could just say wie spät. Wie spät ist es? This also means what time is it, or it also means how late is it. So you can tell the person es ist 2 Uhr. That you are telling the person is 2 o'clock. Okay, let's go into telling the time proper. But before we do that, let's learn about time telling devices, clocks and watches in German. We have the Armbanduhr, which is the wristwatch, and we also have the Taskenuhr, that's the pocket watch, the Wanduhr, which is the wall clock. We also have the Wecker, is the alarm clock. So these are the time telling devices we have in German. When you want to tell the time, when the time is on the hour, you want to tell the time when the time is on the hour, like maybe 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Just say the number and follow it by Uhr, which means o'clock. You could say 2 Uhr, 2 o'clock, or you could say 13 Uhr, which means 13 o'clock. That's if you are using the 24-hour clock system. So this is how you say the time on the hour, when it's on the dot. Okay, when you want to say the time when it's the top of the hour, between top of the hour and half hour, you use nach. Just say the time and use nach. For example, 1:10 plus 10 past 1 will be 10 nach 1, 10 past 1. Nach means after. So we're saying 10 after 1. Another example, we have 4:20, that's 20 past 4. You just say 20 nach 4. This is 20 past 4. Another example, 15 minutes past 6. 15 Minuten nach 6. Well, you can also say Viertel nach 6. This means quarter past 6. So this is how to tell the time when it's on the dot and maybe heading towards a half hour. Okay, when it's on the 30 minutes, when it is on 30 minutes corridor, just if the time is 30 minutes after the hour, use the word half. Half means half. It could also mean halfway to. So 2:30 will be half dry. You'll be wondering why I did not say half dry, like half to. No, you say half dry. That means you are saying halfway to 3, half dry. Think of it as just saying halfway to the next hour that you are going to enter into. So 9:30 will be half 10. That's halfway to 10. That's 9:30. So on the 30 minutes corridor, this is how you tell the time. if the time occurs between the half hour and the 3/4 hour, you use knack followed by the expression for the half hour. So 3:35 would be 5 minuten nach halb 4. Nach halb 4. That means we are saying 5 minutes past 3:30. So 3:35, we are saying 5 minutes past 3:30. Okay. Another example would be 7:40. So you say 10 minuten halb 8. You are saying 10 minutes past 7:30. That's what this means. 10 minutes past 7:30. Then, if you want to tell the time from a quarter to the top of the next hour, just use vor, which means before or to. For example, 12:45 will be Viertel vor 1. That means a quarter to 1. Then 4:50 will be 10 minuten vor 5, or you could say 10 vor 5. That's 10 minutes to 5. If you also want to say 4:58, that would be 2 minuten vor 5. That's 4:58. I hope you've been able to grasp how to tell the time, so you can be able to tell the time accurately in German. A very big thank you for watching, and do well to drop your questions and we'll attend to them. God bless you.